What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be trying my girl Mimi is Mighty Incredibles Fenugreek water recipe, and I'm going to be using it as a pre-poo. And in addition to that, I'm also going to be using the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling Pre-Poo, which is infused with fenugreek and is for all hair types. This is what it looks like. And I've already reviewed this product on the channel, so I'm just going to link that review down below in the description for you guys if you haven't seen it. I brought this out today not just because I'm using Mimi's fenugreek water, but because my hair is super tangled. So I'm hoping that this can get through my massive tangles. Like, my tangles have tangles right now. I had my hair in a puff for like 4 or 5 days, and that was way too long, and I could barely even section off this little section in the back or split my hair in half. I was struggling to do that for like 20 minutes, so I'm about to put this to the test right now. This is the fenugreek water right here. I made it yesterday, and I'm gonna go ahead and play the clip of me making it. I have my fenugreek seeds here. I got these from Mountain Rose Herbs, and I can't remember how much I paid for them, so I'm gonna put the price on the screen. I've had these for a while, so I was so excited when Mimi dropped her recipe, so I could finally put these to good use. I also have 2 jars here and a spoon. Mimi had a larger jar than what I have, so I decided to just use 2 of my smaller ones. This is what the seeds look like inside the bag, and just like Mimi said in her video, they smell just like maple syrup, which is a scent that I love. I know some people don't like the scent of fenugreek, but it smells so good to me. I am putting in about a tablespoon each. Now I'm going to fill both of these jars with hot water, and I'm going to fill them to about this line right here. Now I'm going to put the tops on these jars, and I'm going to store them in one of my kitchen cabinets. And I'm going to use them tomorrow night when it's time to pre-poo my hair. This is what they look like up close. Now I'm going to go ahead and put them in the cabinet. Alright, the jars are chilling in the cabinet, so I'm just going to let them do their thing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's time to pre-poo. Okay, I'm back, and I want to give a big shout out to my girl Mimi is Mighty Incredible for dropping this recipe. I've been waiting for her to drop it so I could try it out. I had these fenugreek seeds for so long, like I said in the last clip, and I just hadn't used them. I think I tried to use them once, and for some reason I just didn't even try what I made. I don't know what I was doing. I'm super excited to finally use these fenugreek seeds, and hopefully this is something I add to my routine so I can continue to use them. If you guys are not subscribed to Mimi is Mighty Incredible, I don't know what you're doing. You need to pause this video right now and go ahead and go subscribe to her and then come back.
I said what I said!
She does awesome DIY videos like this fenugreek water, and she also just made a fenugreek conditioner, and I really want to try that too. Mimi also does unboxings, hauls, and product reviews, and she's also a product junkie. Not as bad as I am because, you know, I'm over the top, but she is a product junkie too, so her stash is fire. Her channel is fantastic, so make sure you guys go and subscribe and tell her that Curly Tails sent you. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my Telliscopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. You do not want to miss a Curly Tails video.
Hell to the no, to the no, no, no.
And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So I have warm water in my spray bottle here. I have the fenugreek water in this spray bottle, and I have the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Pre-Poo. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with some warm water first. Then I'm going to go in with the fenugreek water, and then I'm going to go in with the Pre-Poo. I'm going to spray this all over my strands, and I'm also going to massage it into my scalp, and then I'm going to go in with that Pre-Poo. And as I'm pre-pooing my hair, I'm going to give you guys the deets on fenugreek and why it's such an amazing ingredient. It took a little bit of time, but I was able to detangle this section pretty easily. I don't know how long this full pre-poo is about to take, but I'm about to get into it. Here are some of the deets on Fenugreek, and I got this information from ayurcentral.com and savemefrom.com. So fenugreek is an Ayurvedic legume, which is also called methi. It's high in protein, which helps to strengthen the hair, and it's also high in nicotinic acid, which aids in hair growth. Fenugreek also contains lecithin, which is an emollient that helps strengthen and moisturize, and it is good for sensitive scalps. Fenugreek contains vitamins A, B1, and C, which promote hair growth, improve shine, strength, and thickness, and they also protect hair from pollution. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which help with dandruff. Alright, I just finished pre-pooing my hair and this is how much hair I lost. And I'm not surprised by this at all because like I said, my hair was super tangled. I struggled getting my tangles out even though this pre-poo has a lot of slip. So I'm not blaming the pre-poo or anything like that. I'm just blaming me. I should have never had my hair in that puff for 5 days. That was a mistake. I really hope it wasn't 6 days, but the way my hair was tangled, I'm starting to think I lost track.
Oh my God!
I'm going to continue using this Fenugreek water for my next few wash days, and I'm going to update you guys on any changes I see in my hair. So far, I can't really tell you guys anything, but I like the smell. It smells just like maple syrup, like Mimi said, and I don't mind that scent at all. I think it smells delicious. So that's one thing I really like about it, and it's easy to apply. You just spray it all over your hair, so I like that too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.